PIXY Wireless Indicator Status. PIXY Wireless is equipped with 3 indicators: status indicator, audio indicator, and battery indicator. Status indicator. Solid blue, powering on. Blinking green, waiting for network configuration. Solid green, network configuration successful. Solid white, wired connection mode. Double blue blink, entering or exiting tracking mode. Solid blue, tracking mode active. Solid yellow, tracking target lost. Red blink for 5 seconds, no SD card inserted or SD card full. Fast red blinking, device malfunction. Solid red, recording or live streaming. Light off, privacy mode. Battery indicator. Solid white, remaining battery level. Blinking white, low battery alert. Audio indicator. Solid green, built-in microphone active. Solid white, external microphone active. Solid red, microphone muted.